Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I am going to use the Handmade Wishes Handmade Tag bundle. When you buy them both together, you save 10%. So I'm going to go ahead and do some swaps that I need to do, but I wanted to show you how I line things up to make them work. So first things first is I'm going to get a piece of paper. If you have a scratch piece of paper, that works well too. So I take and I'm going to punch that guy out. That way I know exactly how I want things to fit in here. Then I take the stamps that I'm going to use, and this one I'm going to use the Merry and the Christmas. And I'm going to turn that at an angle, just like that. The grid lines help me line everything up as well. And I want Christmas to go right here. And then I'm going to put Merry a little bit higher. And line those. Let me get this lined up correctly. And then once I get it in the position that I want it, then I can, perfect. I'm going to move that just a little bit. There we go. Now I can take that and push that down, and I know that when I stamp, let me get a different piece of paper here. When I go ahead and stamp that, I think I will use a shaded spruce for this one. When I use this, I could stamp it just like that. And then when I punch it, I know that it's going to fit perfectly where I want it. And this is going to be done for my tags, and I'll do the same thing for my to and from little label that's on here for the back of my tag. And that is how I line it up so that I know exactly where that goes beforehand. I hope this helps, and that is my little tip for you. Have a great day. Bye!